Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So the eastern flower bed has been neglected almost all summer and it is full of weeds. It has lots of overgrown plants, lots of pest flowers. So today I will tackle that one because it's already a shame. I will show you my dahlia. It is so huge, I just couldn't really stake it up. So this flower bed is kind of wild now, but I will tackle it today, so come with me. So this is the current situation, and as you can see, this flower bed desperately needs help and attention. So back there we have the hostas, you almost cannot see them. And I will have to deadhead these because we already have seed pods on these. But look here, we have a flower and one more back there. So this is what I use to edge the flower beds. This has the perfect angle to cut the edges of the flower bed. Or next to the rock flower bed, you can turn this head in a 360-degree angle, so it matches your flower bed or your direction, and it is perfect. I am really happy with the results, you guys. It's like the flower bed can finally breathe. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. See you in the next one. Bye!